Guys, it's me Rainy Day as always. So today I am going to show you how am I going to draw a black and white portrait picture. And you guys might have questions like, how am I going to highlight her skin? How am I going to control her skin? How am I gonna smudge her skin? We will see in this video. Watch it until the end of the video, guys. You will see some trick that you might not know before. Also, I'll show you the result of how this picture going to be. Let's start. To paint all her skin face, I am going to use a smudge. So as you see on the top, the blue one right there, that is the brush that can blend all her skin and make it smoother. you for watching my video, guys. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, share it to your friend or people around you that you think they might like this video. And if you like this challenge, please do it on your own device or paper. And don't forget hashtag rainy day as always with all big capital. I would love to go check it out. And the top 5 picture, I'll put it on my next video. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye bye.